Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
BISSELL Cleanview Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, Green, $22.52. By BISSELL, Safe Pets. BISSELL donates up to $10 to the BISSELL Pet Foundation for every pet product purchase upon activation. Powerful pet hair pickup with triple action brush roll plus scatter-free technology. Swivel steering to easily maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. Clean edges and corners with edge-to-edge cleaning. Remove pet hair with specialized pet tools including pet hair corner tool and pet tool. Bottom, easy empty dirt bin makes emptying quick and mess-free.Hose length 6 feet. Replacement filter style 12141. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.